Hey, how's it going, everybody? It's Matt, and we're back on our 5 Indiana waterfall countdown. And today we're at number 2, Cataract Falls here in Owen County, Indiana. Cataract Falls has 2 sets of falls, an upper and a lower. The upper is a little bit bigger, anywhere from like 30, 45 feet. And then the lower one is about 20 feet. And we're real close to the lower falls, and I'll show you that. If you can see it behind me there, the water just drops off, and we're going to go take a look at that in just a moment. Then I'll take you to the upper falls. There's a covered bridge here, and there's a gorge down below. So there's some really cool stuff to see here, and some really beautiful waterfalls. So let's have a look. Wow, that's what I'm talking about. Woo! Oh, this is amazing. It is amazing. It's beautiful. This is awesome, guys. Check this out. Alright guys, so here we are at the lower falls at Cataract Falls, and this is the smaller falls of the two. They have the upper and the lower, and the falls altogether is actually the largest by volume in Indiana. So this isn't the tallest, but this is the largest by volume, and it's huge. And down here at the bottom is where people like to come, and you can wade out into the water. It's a little safer. We got to go up a trail a little bit of the ways to try that, so we might head up there and see what we can do there, and then we'll head up to the upper falls and show you guys that. So hang on tight, here we go. This is awesome, guys. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Number 2 on our list of great waterfalls in Indiana is Cataract Falls here in Owen County. I hope you guys get a chance to come visit this awesome place. It is amazing. It's beautiful. It's a little treacherous of a walk around the edges, but that just makes it more of an adventure. And there's plenty of kids out there, so it's safe. Just be careful. Watch what you're doing. Watch your steps. And enjoy it. Have a good time. And we'll see you next time on the next waterfall. Peace!